Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be going over why your Fortnite might not be updating and how you can fix this so it starts updating again. So first of all, you want to update Fortnite in the Epic Games Launcher. So if there's an update, you can go to the library. Here you can see all of your games, and then you just scroll down to Fortnite and then it'll say update right here. First of all, you need to close Fortnite so you are able to update it, of course. So have that closed, and then you'll see this update symbol right here, like on this game. Now, the first problem that might occur is that your network is not set up correctly, so that you're not connected to any network. That's the first thing you need to check. If Fortnite's not downloading, then make sure you're connected to either your Wi-Fi or to your LAN in your home, and just check that here. Click onto your network settings and select what network you want to be connected to. That way your internet is working, and of course you need that so you can download Fortnite. Then once you click on update and that doesn't work, maybe it just lags out or something, there is usually a problem with the Epic Games Launcher itself. So make sure you close this, restart your PC, and then try again. If it still doesn't work after a couple of times, try installing the Epic Games Launcher again. You can do that by just going to the program files, go find the program files of the Epic Games Launcher, and then just hop onto the Fortnite website, type in fortnite.com, and then you'll be able to download the Epic Games Launcher again. That's a pretty common problem. Sometimes the Epic Games Launcher just bugs out. Maybe there's some lag, some weird graphical bugs. Sometimes this happens a lot with updates. The next thing you can do to make Fortnite update automatically so there's no problem and always when your PC's on it'll update is go to the settings and then scroll down right here to the update settings to your games, Fortnite, and then you can auto update Fortnite. Check this right here, and now always when the Epic Games Launcher is open, Fortnite will update automatically. The last thing that might be the problem is with Fortnite itself, and if reinstalling the Epic Games Launcher doesn't work, if restarting your PC doesn't work, then you might have to uninstall Fortnite completely. To do that, you can click on uninstall right here, and then you'll have to download the whole game. But that's the worst case scenario. Before you do that, always check online, try to read some articles on if the game's working right now. Maybe there's some bug with the update, maybe no one can download the update, so always check that first before you reinstall the complete game. But that's the last solution that will most probably work if there's no other problem with your PC itself or with Fortnite itself from the developer side. So I hope this helped you out. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if it did, and comment down below if you have any more questions.